Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video I am going to talk about the master page in CorelDRAW. So let's get started. So first of all I will create a document consisting of 10 pages. For example, you can take in as many pages as you want. So 10, okay. So as you can see we have 10 pages. To get the master page option, go to Window, Dockers and Objects. So we will get the master page panel, which also shows the layers panel. As you can see clearly all the pages and the default layer 1 in all the pages. So if you go down at the bottom we can see master page. So using this master page we can save a lot of time and effort in our designs. So let's see how it works. So let's say I want to include anything. It can be object, it can be text or image. I want to include something, let's say in this case an object in all the or on all the pages. So I want to include this circle, but the thing is if I include this over here, I will color this, I have to either copy paste it or use another method. But instead of that, what we are going to do is we are going to use the master page. So in master page also there are few options. So if you click over here, which is a regular layer, so we will get a regular layer. As you can see over here, I will click. So I got this layer 2, but we don't want that, so I will press undo. We want the master page for it to work. So click on the master page and click on this menu over here, click and hold. So we'll get different options. So this is new master layer, all pages, which means if we create this layer, I will click here. So this layer is created now, layer 1, all pages. So click on this layer first, that is very important. Click. So I have clicked on the layer and I will draw similar circle. I will color it like this. So I have only drawn it on one page, but because we have drawn it on this particular layer, master layer, that's why it will be shown on all the pages. As you can see clearly like this, it will be shown on all the pages. And even if I change anything like size, color, it will be changed in all the layers like this. Even if I press Ctrl Q and even if I change the shape, it will be changed on all the layers like this. So basically what it means, if you want to add something on all the layers in one go, we can use this particular option, which is master page and all pages. But what if we want to add something like an object or text on even pages or odd pages? So if I click on odd page, we can see again press and hold left click. Now because we are on page number 1, it only shows the odd pages option. If I click on 3, it will show similar option like odd pages. But if I click on the even page like 2, 4, so it will show this option, new master layer, even pages. So I will create a master layer, even pages. So this is the layer, layer 2, even pages. And remember, click on the layer first, then draw anything that you want. So I will write some text. Let's say I want this graphics on second page, bold, but it will only show on even pages. Page 3, nothing there. Page 4, page 5, again page 6 because it's even page. 7, nothing. 8, 10. So it will show only on even pages. But what if I want to add something on odd pages? So click on any odd page. So I will select page number 9 and I will again go here, new master layer, odd pages, and remember to click on the layer. So let's say I want another shape like this. I will color it like this. Now if we check page number 8, nothing is there. 7, 5, 3, and again page number 1. So it is only showing on odd pages. So this is how we can create master layers using the master page option, and we have 3 options. First is master layer for all pages, then second is odd pages, and last one is even pages. So according to our need we can choose different options, and this will show, or this will rather save us a lot of time and effort. This is very interesting. And as I said earlier, if we make change in any of the objects like this, so let's see if I write down this, and let's say if I change the color, it will be changed on all the objects, or rather all the pages like this. So this is how we can use the master page effectively in CorelDRAW. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.